How's it going, everyone? This is Dave from wetflyswing.com, and today I'm showing you the new studio. We moved to a new place, and we're a little bit closer to some awesome steelhead water, and I'm excited to jump in and just do a lot of my videos from this little studio here. So I wanted to show you just a take. The world behind me is a little backdrop I thought would be kind of cool, thinking about what we're all about, and water and fish and conservation, all that. So I've also got this mic here, which I don't even have my mic stands or any of my lights. You can actually see I've got a sunlight, so you're actually getting some light through there, and it's getting towards evening, but it's still providing enough light, I think. So hopefully you're checking this out, and just wanted to let you know what we have coming up. I'm going to be starting the steelhead fly tying course. I'm going to be doing a lot of the videos here as far as the information and tips and tying and stuff like that, but I'll also be doing a lot of the unboxing videos. I got some products and companies that are going to send some stuff, so I hope to do some of that here, and just ultimately just a place to say hi and kind of let you check out what I have going. So you can't see it. Probably looks pretty cool to you now with the clean spot, but if I looked behind you, behind the camera, you'd see this is definitely a work of art. So, or a work, not, it will be a work of art, kind of a work in progress. But yeah, I just want to know, I kind of want to see if it's echoey and how this sounds. That was my biggest thing using this mic. I'll probably typically have either a mic set up here on the table, which won't be in view, or I'll have a lapel mic. That's typically how I do it. I could also get maybe some boom stands, so the mic's coming down here. That might sound better, but I'm also going to have the camera. Now it's situated back on. I've got a elevated fly tying bench that it's sitting on, which is going to be really cool. I'm excited to tie some flies and do this kind of the standing desk as well. So I'm pretty excited to get this going, as you can tell. I'm going to tie a bunch of flies, and now that we have this little studio here, it's going to be a good place to, when I do have guests out that can stop by, come out and fish the coast, and we'll do a in-person video instead of the Skype, which, as you've seen from some of the Skype videos on my Wet Fly Swing fly fishing podcast, the video or the audio isn't always great, and that's because typically I'm using a mic on mine and it sounds good, but a lot of times, sometimes the guests that I have don't have a mic, and that's where I struggle, because in post production, when I'm going through editing the videos, sometimes if there is no mic that the guest uses, then the quality just isn't that good. So if you're seeing this and you're one of my guests coming up, definitely try to get a mic. You can get those pretty cheap these days. I mean, this thing I'm using here, I think is roughly $100 range. You can get some okay mics for like 20 or 30 bucks. That would do a lot better than just talking into your computer. So kind of covering everything here, but just wanted to stretch this out, and before I post it, just cover a lot of things that I've been thinking about, and ultimately just see if this looks good, if this sounds good to you, and if you like the backdrop. I think it's pretty cool. I think that we could do a lot of stuff, but behind it is essentially just wood, so it kind of looks better to have something to look at. And there'll be some other stuff. Probably I'll get some sound dampening products in here where we can keep some of the sound, the echoiness down. I'll work on getting some of that. But from here, I think I'm just going to start, and we're going to dig in soon to the videos. I've got actually somebody helping me do the next course. We're going to be starting a new website, which is just for the fly tying courses. So it's a place, kind of a one-stop shop for the fly tying. The Fly Tying Mentor is where that is at. So if you want to check out some of the fly tying stuff, also have obviously the blog going and a lot of the videos that I just post on YouTube. But right now the focus is two things. The focus is the podcast, which is going strong. Could look at the numbers here. Let's see how we're doing today. It's kind of cool. I can kind of do it real time and see what's going on here. Let's take a look. Oh, I guess I can't right now. I'll have to get back to that in a sec. But yeah, things are going well. It's kind of, we launch a new show every Tuesday. So Right now it is Sunday, and we're gonna have an awesome show coming up this week. We're gonna talk about spey casting. Everything steelhead is what I've been going on, and I've had a different guest, but I've got Pete Humphreys coming up here, Darren McEachern, Simon Gosworth, which I think we're going to get in-person interview, and just a bunch of other awesome guests that are lined up from all around the world, wherever there are steelhead. So I think I'll leave it there and want to check on how all the sound is, and I'll do a little bit of editing maybe, but I'll post this out. And good to see you, and good to make a connection, and looking forward to seeing you soon.